Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best camo folding chairs is probably one of the most important yet underrated pieces of hunting equipment. A comfortable and supportive seat can significantly impact your overall hunting experience, allowing you to stay alert and focused for extended periods while remaining concealed within your surroundings. Choosing the right chair involves careful consideration of factors such as portability, comfort, durability, and camouflage effectiveness, all of which contribute to a successful and enjoyable hunting trip. Number 5. HITORHIKE Low Sling Chair. This chair is perfect for all your outdoor adventures. It's designed for comfort and convenience, so you can relax anywhere. It features a durable, quick-drying nylon mesh back, keeping you cool and comfortable even on the warmest days. The skin-friendly material is perfect for long hours outdoors. With 2 handy pockets and a convenient storage bag, you'll have plenty of space for your essentials. The included shoulder strap makes it easy to carry. This chair is incredibly compact, folding up quickly and easily for storage and transport. It's lightweight yet sturdy, perfect for any outdoor activity. Setup is a breeze, it takes only 5 seconds. Enjoy your relaxation without any hassle. Whether you're at the beach, a concert, or camping, this versatile chair is perfect for any outdoor occasion. It provides a comfortable and relaxing space wherever you go. What we like. It packs down small and is super lightweight, perfect for carrying to various locations. If you need a versatile chair for different outdoor activities, this is a great option. It's ideal for those who value portability and want a chair that can be used for various purposes, from concerts to camping. What people say. They are so sturdy and comfortable. Because of the sturdy construction, they are a little heavy, but well worth the effort to carry. I found this chair much easier to get back to my feet than sitting on a pad and trying to rise back up. I simply roll to my left knee and stand back up. The supported chair back also makes it easy to sit for longer periods, and the low knee position is ideal for shooting from my knees. It folds up easily. It was comfortable as well. It seems with proper use and not beating up the item it will last a long time. Number 4. Barronett BC101 Hunting Chair. Get ready for ultimate comfort and support in the field. This chair is designed for long sits and maximum relaxation. Enjoy extended hunting sessions without discomfort. Its extra-large size provides ample space and superior comfort. It features additional front support, giving you unrestricted movement and a wider range of motion. Hunt in comfort and freedom. Experience superior back support with its carefully designed angled backrest. It cradles your back for lasting comfort. With a 300 pounds weight capacity, it's built to handle any hunter. Durable and reliable, it's your perfect hunting companion. It folds easily for convenient transport and storage. Take it anywhere your hunting adventures lead you. It's made from high-quality, durable 100% polyester. This ensures it will withstand the elements and provide years of reliable use. What we like. This chair offers superior comfort and support, allowing you to sit comfortably for extended periods. If you prioritize comfort and need a chair that can handle a larger frame, this is the one for you. It's perfect for hunters who spend long hours in the field. What people say. This chair is solidly constructed and very comfortable. It's not really for backpacking, too big and heavy, but I will, nevertheless, be taking it to the field this hunting season for those long sitting sessions. Packs in good due to its weight and the carrier supplied. I find the higher seat, 2-inch or so, more comfy than my other seat same style. It is also very solidly built. It does not flex when you would need to lean or twist for a shot, stable. This chair is sturdy and very comfortable. I sat in it for several hours and felt comfortable the whole time. I am 5 feet 9 inches, 320 pounds. And it fits back into the bag easily. Number 3. REDCAMP Oversized Hunting Chairs. Experience ultimate comfort and versatility with our new hunting chairs. They're designed for all-day comfort and easy portability. We offer 4 models to suit your needs, from standard chairs to those with canopies, padding, or even 360-degree swivels. Find your perfect fit. With its smart rotating mechanism, it gives you a complete view of your surroundings and allows for quick, easy movement in any direction. It features a taller, wider backrest and sturdy armrests, providing exceptional comfort for hunters of all sizes. Enjoy hours of comfortable hunting. Rotating feet and thicker foot pads ensure stability on any terrain. Plus, the included shoulder straps make it easy to transport. Built with thicker metal tubing, it's incredibly sturdy and can support up to 330 pounds. Hunt with confidence, knowing you have reliable support. What we like. With its 360-degree swivel, you'll have a complete view of your surroundings. If you need a chair that provides excellent all-around visibility and can support a heavy weight, this is a great choice. It's ideal for hunters who need to be able to quickly change positions and maintain a comfortable posture. What people say. It was easy to assemble and is very sturdy. It is the right height for the blind and swivels easily. This chair falls up nicely, but when opened up, it is solid. It swivels very easily and has armrests to make things comfortable with its Sling. It's easy to carry. It is definitely strong and sturdy. I would feel confident standing on the armrests. After over 2 years of use, it shows no sign of breaking in the frame. Number 2. Black Sierra Folding Hunting Stool. It's the perfect companion for hunting, fishing, or any outdoor adventure. Its unique high-back design ensures all-day comfort. Enjoy lasting comfort with its durable poly Oxford seat and supportive high backrest. It's designed for all-day use in the field. This chair is built to last. Its heavy-duty steel frame supports up to 250 pounds, providing reliable stability. It's lightweight and easy to carry with the included strap. Take it camping, hunting, or to any outdoor event. Setup and takedown are quick and easy. Plus, it has a large storage pocket for your essentials. With its comfort, durability, and portability, it's the ideal choice for all your outdoor activities. Get yours today. What we like. The high back provides excellent support and comfort during long sits. If you value comfort and need a chair with extra storage, this is a great option. It's perfect for hunters who want a comfortable and convenient chair for long hunting trips. What people say. I like that it does not have individual feet, but a tube. This allows me to use it on softer ground without it sinking in. The chair is lightweight, but sturdy. It is easy to carry using the strap or the tubes. I also like that it has a back, that makes it more comfortable for longer use. Lightweight and comfy for a couple hours. Easy pack in and out. Number 1. Camouflage Hunting Blind Chair. This comfortable chair is perfect for relaxing at the campsite, in your hunting blind, or even just in the backyard. It's versatile and ready for any adventure. Enjoy director's style comfort with its camouflage fabric. It keeps you comfortable while you wait for that big catch. It's built to last. The powder-coated steel frame can withstand wind, rain, sun, and snow. It's ready for any weather condition. This chair folds up compactly for easy transport and storage. Take it anywhere you need a comfortable seat. Hunters of all sizes will appreciate the extra wide seat and back. Adjust it to your perfect comfort level. This chair combines comfort, durability, and portability, making it the ideal companion for all your outdoor adventures. Get yours today. What we like. This chair can withstand various weather conditions, ensuring you stay comfortable no matter the elements. If you're looking for a durable and comfortable chair for all types of weather, this is the one. It's perfect for hunters who need a reliable chair that can handle any conditions. What people say. This is a nice heavy-duty chair that even I can sit in. I expect to be able to steady a shot out to 200 yards. Solid and lightweight. Easy to lug to the blind. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.